Hi, this is Chris from Two Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Ford Mondeo Trend Hatch, stock reference number 5455. The shape runs from the 9th month 2014 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder Duratorq turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents, left power door mirror, left side skirt, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, does have a tow bar cutout, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate has 2 small dents, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror does have a little scratch, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.